Hello, fellow investors, and welcome back to Finance and Fortune, the channel where we help you make the most out of your money. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you never missed out on our financial insights and tips. Today, we've got a fantastic topic for you: 10 ways to invest $1,000. Whether you just received a windfall or have been diligently saving, we've got investment strategies for every financial situation. Let's dive right in. 1. Buy an S&P 500 index fund. At the top of the list is buying an index fund based on the Standard & Poor's 500 index, a collection of around 500 of America's most successful companies. The index has returned an average of about 10% over time, letting you double your money in just over 7 years. It's a great pick for new investors because it offers immediate diversification, meaning reduced risk, and you'll own some of the world's best companies. In fact, legendary investor Warren Buffett suggests that most investors would do best by buying and holding an S&P 500 fund. 2. Buy partial shares in 5 stocks. If you want to put a little spice in your portfolio and a longer investment horizon, buy a collection of 5 stocks that you've researched. You'll need to understand what you're investing in, however, or you're better off going with an S&P 500 index fund. Your collection of 5 stocks is also likely to be quite a bit more volatile than an index fund too, but that's part of the price of investing in individual stocks. You won't even have to worry about having enough money to buy full shares of each stock if you go with one of the best brokers for fractional shares. And you should check out the best brokerage bonuses for new money because you may be able to get a little extra something. 3. Put it in an IRA. Putting your money in a retirement account offers one of the highest potential returns. If you opt for a traditional IRA, you can deduct any income taxes you would otherwise pay on that $1,000 if you meet the income limits. Plus, you'll be able to defer any taxes on your gains for up to decades. A few bonuses can also sweeten things. You can stack this strategy with an account opening bonus mentioned above, and you may be able to take advantage of the little-known Savers Credit, which offers a tax credit of up to 50%. If you earn less than $43,500 in 2023 and file your taxes jointly with a spouse, or $21,750 as an individual. If you earn above these levels, you may still qualify for credits of 10 or 20% depending on your income. That's a huge return with no risk for you, and it's among the best and easiest returns you'll find. 4. Get a match in your 401k. If you have an employer-sponsored retirement account such as a 401k or 403, check to see if your employer matches any contributions you make to the account. For example, some firms will match 50% of your contributions up to 4% of your salary, so you could put in 8% of your paycheck in and the company would provide an immediate 4%. This free money is some of the easiest money you'll ever earn, so it makes sense to do so. To use this strategy, you don't simply put money into an account as you would do with other strategies here. Instead, you'll need to defer the money from your paycheck. As an added bonus, however, you can also take advantage of the Savers Credit here. So it's possible, depending on your income, to generate a 100% return with no risk at all. 5. Have a robo-advisor invest for you. Are you worried about investing your money yourself? You can let a robo-advisor do all the heavy lifting for you. The robo-advisor can select a portfolio based on your risk tolerance and when you need the money, and it uses the same principles that a human advisor would use. The best robo-advisors also provide calculators and other tools to help you understand how fast your money can grow, and they offer solid cash management accounts with a ton of features. 6. Pay down your credit card or other loan. Of all the investments on this list, the one with the absolute safest return is paying down your debt, especially if it's high-interest credit card debt. If you're paying 25 or even 30% on your cards, that's money that could otherwise go into your pocket. In fact, it makes sense to prioritize paying down the high-interest debt as much as you can before investing. 7. Go super safe with a high-yield savings account. If you need access to your money in less than a few years, then you don't want to tie it up in a major investment like a stock, which could be down a lot just when you need the money. Instead, go with a super safe option such as the high-yield savings account. These accounts are offering some of the highest returns in years, and it's easy to find the country's top yields. A high-yield savings account is offered by most online banks, and you'll have immediate access to your cash if you need it. 8. Build up a passive business. Yes, even with $1,000, you may be able to get started with a passive business, especially if you put in a lot of the sweat equity, labor, to get it running. Find a niche you love and then set up a website or create a course on a topic where you're the subject matter expert. The capital demands of many passive businesses can be low if you put in the upfront work. You have a ton of options for a passive business, such as making microloans through a crowdfunding platform or even investing in real estate. 9. Open a 529 account if you or a loved one may be going to college one day, Putting your money in a 529 account can help it grow while making those future education expenses more affordable. Any money withdrawn from the account and used for qualified educational expenses is tax-free. That's an attractive prospect for parents who may have to foot the bill for a child's education. In addition, 2022's Secure Act 2.0 makes contributing to a 529 account less prohibitive. Any money in the account can be rolled over into a Roth IRA without penalty starting in 2024. There you have it, our top 10 ways to invest $1,000. Remember, every financial decision should align with your goals and risk tolerance. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with all things finance and fortune. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and please share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from these investment ideas. As always, thank you for tuning in.